हेलो एवरीवन, मैं आरती। वेलकम टू बायोलॉजी डायरीज। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे होमोलोगस एंड एनालॉगस स्ट्रक्चर्स के बारे में। चलिए फिर शुरू करते हैं। सो व्हाट आर होमोलोगस स्ट्रक्चर्स? होमो का मतलब क्या होता है? सेम। इट मींस दे हैव सिमिलर बेसिक स्ट्रक्चरल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, और वी कैन से दे हैव सिमिलर स्ट्रक्चर। सिमिलर स्ट्रक्चर का मतलब क्या होता है? उनकी एनाटॉमी और उनका जो इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर होता है वो सिमिलर है, but they are performing the different functions and they come from a common ancestor. जो भी species homologous structures show करती हैं, they all come from the common ancestor. Suppose this is the common ancestor, but due to some environment or their requirement, they get diverged from each other. So we can say homologous structure जो है, they show divergent evolution. Divergent evolution मतलब they get diverged from each other according to their need and environment. Suppose, let's see the example. Here is the forelimb of humans, cat, whale, and bats. They all have similar basic structural organization. It means they all have humerus, radius, ulna, carpals, metacarpals, and phalanges in their forelimbs. But due to the some environmental factors, or we can say due to their need, they start performing the different functions. How? In humans, the forelimb get modified into hand and it is used for holding the things. In case of cat, it get modified into legs, which is used for walking and running. In case of whale, it get modified into flippers, which is used for swimming purpose. And in case of bats, it get modified into wings, which is used for flying. This is how they show the divergent evolution from each other. Now come to analogous structures. Analogous structures ये वो structures होते हैं जो जिनका basic structural organization जो है वो different होता है. इनकी anatomy जो है, internal structure वो different होता है, लेकिन ये सभी similar type of function perform करते हैं. And they do not come from the common ancestor. ये species जो है एक common ancestor से evolve नहीं होती हैं, ये अलग अलग species से evolve होती हैं. And they show convergent type of evolution. How? Suppose ये अलग अलग तरह के species हैं, लेकिन ये किसी similar type of habitat में चली गई. Somehow they go to some similar type of habitat, और we can say similar need के लिए ये अडेप्ट हो गई, यानी कि बट दे हैव ऑल हैव डिफरेंट एंसेस्टर्स, लेकिन वो सब एक सिमिलर फंक्शन को परफॉर्म करने के लिए, सिमिलर फंक्शन को अडेप्ट करने के लिए कन्वर्ज हो गए. दैट्स व्हाई दे शो convergent evolution. See, here is the example of the wing of the bird, wing of the bat, and the wing of the butterfly. They all come from the different ancestors, and their basic structural organization is also different, but they all are used for the flying. They performing the similar functions. I hope you understood the difference between the homologous and analogous structures. I hope this video is helpful to you. Share your views in comment section. Do like, share, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.